Hello there, my unprofessional chefs and female chefs, I guess. I don't know if there is a female and male for chef in English. But whatever. Today I'm going to teach you how to make kebab, or how some people write it kebab. I don't really know why it's written kebab, but it's pronounced kebab. So let's learn together how to make kebab. It's very easy, very simple, very convenient. Let's roll the intro. Let's cook American food. But it's not American food. Well, it's not American food. Alright, kebab is one of the easiest stuff to make at home. It's really simple, very easy. All you need is your ground beef and some spices. I'm gonna guide you through it real quick. First, put all your ground beef in your bowl. I have here 1 pound of ground beef. Okay, so for 1 pound of ground beef, we will need a teaspoon of each of the following spices. Powdered garlic, powdered cumin, paprika or smoked paprika, powdered cinnamon, powdered cardamom, turmeric, black pepper, salt, powdered lime. I'm gonna link you all the spices down below in the comment if you wanna go and check them out and buy them yourself. And a tablespoon of olive oil. Alright, after we get them all together, we just mix them. You can mix them with your hand or your stand mixer, whatever works for you. Oh, you might ask, what ground beef should I get? Get the 20% fat to 80% meat, or a little bit more than 20% fat. Don't get something less than 20% fat. And it should do you well. Right, let's mix it with my bare hand, I guess. When you mix it, make sure it's mixed all the way through and it's not all clumped in one area. Cover it and let it sit in your fridge from 2 to 3 hours before cooking. Or more, but don't exceed 4 hours. Alright. Couple hours passed and now we're ready to assemble our kebab. To assemble your kebab, you will need one of these, or you can use the wooden one. I like those steel ones because they're reusable. And the only negative part about them, they heat up fast, so when you're touching them, they are hot. So just make sure you have a heat-wearing safety gloves thingy. So let's see how much 1 pound of meat will equal. To make your kebab, just make it to a cylinder long shape. Kinda look like, I'm not gonna say it because it's food. I'm gonna be respectful to the food. And then drive it through. Doesn't have to be perfectly centered because we're gonna manipulate it more. Like around the... What do they call those things? I need to check up my vocab before starting. That smells really good. Before start filming. Because I run into this issue all the time, as you see. I just want to tell you what it is, but I can't because I myself don't know. And that's a good amount for one. As you can see, it yielded for us around 4 kebab sticks. And we're gonna cook them out on the grill. Yes, you can put them in your oven, and this is the temperature and time you need to put them in your oven, showing on the screen because I don't know them and I have to Google them, because no way I'm putting them in the oven while I can't grill them. So I invite you with me, let's go and grill them. Alright, for your kebab, cook them for 5 minutes on each side on a medium-high heat. If you have a gas or if you have a coal, just do whatever you want. Just make sure they're all the way through cooked. You know, if you're gonna use your temperature prop thing, just make sure it reach 165 Fahrenheit to be safe to eat. But yeah, just cook it until it's good and not raw. Just like cooked. Yeah, it's really simple. And then flip them around and cook the other side. But why are you gonna teach me how to make kebab if you didn't teach me how to eat it? Don't worry. I'm gonna teach you how to eat it. Go and grab yourself a red onion. Don't grab a white onion or the yellow onion thingy. They don't work. This one works the best for this meal. And chop it. And then chop it in half and then into thin slices. As thin as you can. Then into a bowl or a measuring cup, add a little bit of olive oil. I think I add 2/3 of a cup or maybe 1/3 of a cup. I don't know, just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be really specific. Really not specific because this is a home cooking meal and we're not trying to make everything precise. Alright, then add a little bit of flake paper or paper flakes, whatever they call them, and paprika. Also add them to the taste. If you like it really hot, add a lot. If you don't like it that hot, don't add a lot. And then add your lime, or squeeze 1 lime or half a lime, depending on how limey you want it to be, or well, I'm using lemon. Why am I telling you to use a lime? Just use a lemon or a lime. And then put your onion in it, and make sure you cover it and put it in the fridge and let it sit for a little bit, like maybe half an hour before you serve it. And now we get to how we make our plate. Remember the pita bread I showed you how to make? Yes, you do remember it, because I just posted the video a couple days ago. Go and watch it and make this pita bread and cover your bottom of your plate with it. When you cover your bottom of the plate with it, drizzle some of that oil and throw some of that onion in it, and then bring your kebab, lay it on top of the onion, cover it a little bit with more oil and some more onion, and it's gonna be delicious. You're gonna enjoy it a lot, you're gonna fall in love with it, you're gonna make it every single day. One tip, if a tablespoon of salt is a lot of salt for you, just use half a tablespoon. You don't have to use a tablespoon. You know, just do what you want. Even add more spices, subtract more spices. Really, your game, you play it. Alright, thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Please share and subscribe, and I will see you next time in another episode. Bye!